Can't connect to Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi button is missing? Don't panic. In most cases, you can bring it back with a few simple fixes, and I'll show you exactly how. We'll start with the simplest solution and move to the next one if the Wi-Fi button is still missing. Let's start with the first fix. The first fix is to check your Wi-Fi adapter. Sometimes Windows disables the adapter, which can make the Wi-Fi option disappear from quick settings. Press Windows plus X. Click Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Find your wireless adapter. Right-click it. If you see Enable Device, click it. Wait a few seconds for Windows to reconnect. Now press Windows plus A to check quick settings. If the Wi-Fi button is back, the problem is solved. If it's still missing, let's check for a driver update. Right-click your wireless adapter again. Click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check for the best available driver automatically. Then check Quick Settings again. If the Wi-Fi button is still missing, let's try a deeper network reset. Network Reset is a deeper solution that resets Windows network settings and reinstalls your network adapters. Open Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Click Yes to confirm. Windows will restart your PC to complete the reset. After the reset, check Quick Settings again. If you're still having the problem, let's check Windows Update. Open Settings. Click Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Windows will now check for available updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your PC if Windows asks you to. Then check Quick Settings again. If your Wi-Fi button is back, you should be able to connect to your wireless network again. These solutions can help restore the Wi-Fi option without resetting or reinstalling Windows completely. Which fix worked for you? If none of them worked, let me know what's happening on your PC in the comments, and I'll try to help. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.